I want to talk to you about easy net 30 vendors that report to Dun & Bradstreet for new business. So here's a review I want you to pay attention to. So number 10, you have Wise Business Plans. Our score, 7.8 over 10. So when you think about this net 30 vendor, they report to Dun & Bradstreet once a quarter. And so when you think about Wise Business Plans, think about a service that provides business owners, especially new businesses, with business planning, resources, and tools. So they do actually a lot of things. They provide digital marketing services, and they have affiliations with credit building and business funding partners as well. So this is kind of cool. And the only thing is with this vendor, you have to actually pay, you have to spend at least $97 to qualify. And there is actually an annual membership fee that's $99. So you need to pay this to maintain net 30 account credit terms. So this is what it is. But overall, this is a pretty easy net 30 vendor. And they report to Dun & Bradstreet, as I said before, once a quarter. So this is just fantastic. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. We're having a quick convo about net 30 vendors that report to Dun & Bradstreet for new business. So number 9, we have here Creative Analytics. Our score, 8 over 10. So when you think about the Creative Analytics, think about another net 30 vendor that actually reports to Dun & Bradstreet once a quarter. And so they actually do something similar to a Wise Business Plans. So Creative Analytics offers digital marketing services and tech products, stuff that you as a startup, you might need anyway. So you can get net 30 terms for some services, and it really depends on how much you actually spend. And Creative Analytics extends credit lines of up to $12,000, sometimes all the way to $15,000. So this is kind of cool because basically the higher the limits, the better it is for you. Because if you're trying to really build business credit, you want to have also a high credit utilization ratio. You want to have a low credit utilization ratio, which comes from having a high credit limit. So this is really great overall. We love this a lot. We love the fact that Creative Analytics and Wise Business Plans are doing a lot to kind of help you as a small business owner build credit real fast. So this is really good. Number 8, you have HD Supply. Our score, 8.1 over 10. So when you think about HD Supply, I want you to think about one of the largest distributors of industrial distributors in North America. So they've been actually in business for 80 years. So, they know exactly what they're doing. And they offer more than 250,000 products. And the cool thing is that we love the fact that HD Supply is constantly working with established businesses, but also new businesses. Okay. So if you're thinking about industrial net 30 account, this is really it. And this vendor, the HD Supply, reports to Dun & Bradstreet every 2 months. Every 2 months, actually, you get your data reported to Dun & Bradstreet, and also HD Supply also reports to Experian Business. This is really good. So when we talk about products, we're speaking about appliances and electronics, cabinets, countertops, doors, and molding. You have cleaning and janitorial. You have electrical hardware, tools, and you have a lot of stuff. You have fitness and exercise. So you have a lot of stuff. And so HD Supply is really good. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. I'm having a conversation with you about easy net 30 vendors that report to Dun & Bradstreet for new business. Number 7, we have here Quill. Our score, 8.3 over 10. So Quill actually reports to Dun & Bradstreet on the 21st of the month. Okay. So when you think about Quill, think about a platform/company that offers cleaning and office supplies for businesses and charges no shipping fee. So this is really cool. And so Quill will extend a net 30 credit line after 2 months of regular purchases. Then it takes another 90 days to 120 days before they will actually report to your payment history. Now, there are cases where they will report to your payment history a lot faster. You need to contact the sales agent you spoke to. If you do it the proper way, they will actually report your data on the 21st of the month. Okay, but you can't just leave it as by default. If you don't do anything, they will report it after 4 months, after 3 to 4 months. But if you ask specifically, they will actually start reporting your data every 30 days. So this is totally possible. And the thing is that Quill is actually it's a standalone business. They have a business to run also, so they can't really pay attention all all the time to about what's happening to net 30 accounts. So this is totally what it is. But overall, this is a great platform that we love. We love this a lot. It's just fantastic. Number 6, we have Office Gardner. Our score 8.4/10. So when you think about Office Gardner, think about a net 30 account that reports to Dun & Bradstreet once a quarter for a new business. And so it's important that this is, in our view, one of the must-have net 30 vendors for building business credit, because Office Gardner reports to several different business credit bureaus and sells actually office products and other goods that are reasonably priced, high quality, and in demand for all business types. So this is kind of cool. And so the thing is that signing up for a net 30 account with Office Gardner is also easy. It can be done entirely online. So this is kind of fun. And your business must have been in operation for 30 days at least. And just be aware of the $69 one-time processing fee to open a net 30 account. And your business must have also a clean, non-derogatory business credit history. So those are things I want you to pay attention to. So in terms of, so besides Dun & Bradstreet, this like Office Gardner also reports to Equifax Business, Credit Safe, Ansonia. You have NACM, so National Association of Credit Management, and Small Business Financial Exchange. So you have a constellation of players that receive your data, your business's data. And so this is kind of cool. And we love this a lot. So you can buy a lot of things through Office Gardner. You have office supplies, you have apparel, you have kitchen appliances, electronics, web design, business cards. So you have a lot of stuff that you can buy from. So it's totally up to you to really avail yourself of anything at all. So this is really, really important. Number 4, you have here DV Credit Builder. Oh, by the way, number 5 rather. Number 5 first, you have Granger. Our score 8.7/10. So when you think about Granger, I want you to think about a vendor, a net 30 vendor that reports to Dun & Bradstreet on the 18th of the month. Okay, 18th of the month. This is kind of important. And Granger is actually an industrial supply company that offers cleaning and janitorial supplies, maintenance and repair supplies, operating supplies, packaging, shipping supplies, safety lab supplies, and hospitality industry supplies. So Granger is kind of similar to Office Gardner. So this is kind of similar, but Granger actually reports to Dun & Bradstreet on the 18th of the month. So it's really important to really think about that. And one thing I want to say also is that when you think about those industrial companies, it's better to have a contact, to maintain a contact with one salesperson or somebody there, so that they can check out your status, your net 30 status for you. Number 4, you have here DV Credit Builder. Our score 9/10. So DV is kind of cool when you think about a net 30 vendor that reports to Dun & Bradstreet for new business, because DV reports to Dun & Bradstreet once a month. And so this is kind of cool. And DV actually is in the business of helping small businesses actually build credit anyway. They have a credit card, they have an expense management platform. They have a lot of stuff that actually can help you out. So when we think about the products that DV has, you have a credit score builder, you have a rewards credit card, you have expense management app, you have an easy reimbursement for employee expenses. So this is really cool, and DV is really great for small and medium-sized businesses and e-commerce businesses, retail businesses, and businesses with daily expenses. So this is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say overall is that DV is great if you are looking for a non-personal guarantee, non-PG business credit cards. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about easy net 30 vendors that report to Dun & Bradstreet for new business. This is it's important. And so now we have number 3, office supplies, Office Chrome, like Chrome Office Supplies. So this is really good. And our score here, 9.2/10. So when you think about this player, this is a great player that reports to Dun & Bradstreet on the 15th of the month. So the 15th of every month, Cron Office Supplies will report to Dun & Bradstreet. And so Cron displays its net 30 application for new and established businesses on its website. And so Cron's customer base includes government, embassy, nonprofit, financial institution, and other businesses. So this is really good. And so they are pretty thorough, which is really great once again. And they will ask you all kinds of questions if you were to work with them, if you were to seek a net 30 account with them or from them. They will actually ask you all kinds of questions. And in some cases, they might ask you to see a business plan. They might ask you, to see a business plan before actually doing business with you. Number 2, we have business T-shirts. Our score, 9.3/10. So business T-shirts reports to Dun & Bradstreet on the 10th of the month. So this is really important. Now, when you think about business T-shirts, think about a membership-based custom apparel print option for entrepreneurs. And the company sells marketing apparel through its T-shirt club, where you sign up as a member and get discounted rates. So this is really good. And so here is a player that reports to all 3 credit bureaus, or even more, or there are more, but it's important. And you might have to spend $250 as a minimum to actually qualify for this net 30 accounts with them. So when you think about business T-shirt club, think about T-shirts, sweatshirts, polos, jackets, headwear, clothing, accessories. So it just kind of gives you an idea already what you should expect. Number 1, the best of the best. When we talk about easy net 30 vendors that report to Dun & Bradstreet for new business, we're talking about here. We have here Suma Office Supplies. Our score, 9.8/10. So what we love about Suma is that, first of all, they report to Dun & Bradstreet once a quarter. And so Suma becomes like a mail order office supplies. Suma actually is a mail order office product and supplies company based in California. So this is really good. And we love the fact that you're able to use a net 30 account from Suma to actually build credit history. And so you're also able to actually extend very large credit limits. Okay, at the end of the day, it's not about you actually being scared of losing. It's about you actually living your life. So this is really important. And so when you think about this overall, think about Suma Office Supplies that basically gives you all kinds of office supplies, by the way. So they have a wide constellation of products. So this is really good. So we love this a lot. I want to give you a bonus. If you're still around, I want to give you a bonus here, and I want to share with you 2 other net 30 accounts that we have found in our research. The number 1 is Shirts, and the second one is Uline. So when you think about Shirts, our score, 7.5/10, and Shirts actually reports to Dun & Bradstreet once a quarter. And this is it's important to really think about. And so think about Shirts as an online platform that sells actually help people find and buy shirts from a trusted source. And Shirts also does print on demand T-shirts and other branding collaterals like business cards. So it's really something that you might want to look into once you are settled. And one thing I want to say also is that you have to pay attention to your inflow of revenue versus outflow of revenue. So before you actually sign up for an account, make sure that the economy is normal, that you are going to enjoy your meal. So this is I'm being metaphorical here, but the point I'm trying to make here is that you have to understand it. To enjoy the net 30 account, which is actually quote unquote your meal here, you have to be able to meet certain requirements. Same thing for Uline. So Uline, our score here is 7.4/10. So here's another net 30 accounts that reports to Dun & Bradstreet for new businesses. So actually, Uline reports to Dun & Bradstreet every 2 months. So if you are basically trying to beef up your credit history real fast, think about this. So Uline is a really with Uline, the customer service is excellent, and you can set up a net 30 account pretty easily. And so in terms of products that Uline does, they actually have shipping supplies, you have material handling and safety products, you have poly bags, and you have a software, or let's say not software, you have a net 30 vendor that caters to all kinds of industries. So this is really important. And one thing I want to say also is that you have to understand it's all about where you see yourself 1 year, like not 1 year from now. Let's say 1 month from now or 2 months from now. Because if that's the case, maybe you want to choose a certain net 30 vendors versus others, right? It's all about really working with those who want to work with you and really ditching the rest. That's really what the philosophy of this should be. Let me close to this conversation with an overview here. So I've spoken to you about net 30 vendors that report to Dun & Bradstreet for new business. And it's important to understand that when we talk about net 30 vendors, we're not asking you to actually just to focus on only one type, right? Because if you want to build business credit, you must be thinking about business loans. You must be thinking about business lines of credit. You must be thinking about personal lines of credit or personal loans. So those are elements that you have to pay attention to, so that you actually get the net 30 accounts that you want real fast. Because most people will tell you, you probably just get like $300 or $1,000 in limits. But if you get the right net 30 accounts, you can actually get all the way to $10,000 or even $100,000 in credit limits. It's all about really negotiating real hard before you actually make the money, or at least generate the revenue through your net 30 account. So those are things you need to pay attention to. So when we talk about financing, you need to understand that a net 30 account replaces all kinds of finances. For example, you have small business loan, because when you have a net 30 account, you don't have to pay the invoice right away. So you have a small business loan, you have small business line of credit. So this is important, because then it's all about making sure that you are speaking also to the net 30 account also. Okay. And then into this conversation, I spoke to you about, for instance, Dun & Bradstreet. Of course, yes, Dun & Bradstreet is important, but you also want to make sure that you have a vendor that reports to Experian business, but also Equifax business. That way you know that you are like the playing field is leveled, because otherwise, like most people just talk about Navy Fed, and it's just not one of those things. It's not reflecting the reality, okay? And it's really important to understand that whether you go with Suma or Business T-Shirt or Crown or DV or Granger or Office Gardner or Quill or HD Supply or Creative Analytics or Wise Business Plans or Shirts or Uline, you have to make, at the end of the day, you have to make a choice. So it's totally up to you. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just talking to you about net 30 vendors that report to Dun & Bradstreet for new business. We have number 1, Suma Office Supplies. Our score here is 9.8 over 10. Number 2, Business T-Shirts, 9.3 over 10. Number 3, we have Crown Office Supplies. We have 9.2 over 10. Number 4, we have a DV Credit Builder. So this is 9 over 10. Number 5, we have Granger, 8.7 over 10. Number 6, we have Office Gardner. Our score 8.4 over 10. Number 7, we have Quill. Our score 8.3 over 10. Number 8, we have HD Supply. Our score 8.1 over 10. And number 9, we have Creative Analytics here. So this will be 8 over 10. And number 10, you have Wise Business Plans. Our score 7.8 over 10. And in the bonus category, you have a Shirts. Our score 7.5 over 10. And Uline 7.4 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.